Hello my friends, my name is Ms.Syd and today we're gonna learn how to clean our hands. This is a fun sensory activity for the kids to do at home so they can learn how to wash their hands. Now we're gonna need some pom-poms which are gonna represent the little germs in our hands and all the dirt that we get throughout the day when we touch all the things that are full of germs and dirty. Parents, you can use whatever you want inside the baggie, and we're also gonna use some glue. We're gonna use some glue so we could have the effect of gel. You could use anything you want around your house. You could use some food coloring and some water. You can even use some little milk if you want. After this, we want to make sure that it is very sealed so no spilling would happen. We are gonna tape the top of the Ziploc bag to make sure that it's extra secure. Are you guys ready? Let's go! So here you're gonna see we're gonna tape down the Ziploc bag and we're gonna spread out all the pom-poms all around the hands, and we're gonna have your child try to take them away from the hands so we can have the hands nice and clean. And this is what happens when we wash our hands. All those germs and the dirt that you have in your hands, they will go away. As you can see, our hands are getting so nice and clean. This is a quick, fun, and easy sensory motor activity for your kids at home. Good job, friends. I hope you enjoyed this little activity. And this is the result. My hands are all clean. It's so pretty. My hands are clean and nice. Thank you for watching, my friends. I hope to see you next time.